Hello, right. I want to talk to you today about having some self-control when it comes to trading. Now, when I first started trading, I had none. I was incredibly impulsive, I was emotional, I was greedy. I used to, if I was having a really good winning streak, I would just keep putting more and more trades on, and eventually, of course, can't win every trade, so the losing trades would have wiped out the profits from the day, and I was going around in this endless vicious circle of having a really good morning trading and then having just one bad trade and it wiping me out and then starting over again and just literally getting to the end of the day just trying to break even. And you know, I didn't really know what was going on, and now I do. I have got it sussed. The reason I was going around in circles and chasing my tail constantly, I'm sure lots of you can relate to this as well. I'm sure lots of you who are trading will understand that you have really good days, but then a bad day can completely knock out the good days. And, you know, I now am on track to achieving my financial goal with regards to the trading side of it. And the actual key to success, the reason that I'm now winning, is because of one simple thing: a trading plan. A trading plan that is realistic, that is sensible, that has proper, sensible risk management and is doable, has changed everything. It has changed the way I trade. It has changed my emotional state. It has made it fun again. Whereas before I was getting so stressed because I was having really good winning streaks and then losing it, and I didn't know what I was doing wrong. Now, I have set myself a target of a 3% growth in my trading account per day, which is a realistic target. And I have worked this out. We've got a mathematical spreadsheet that works this out for you within our team. So a 3% growth on my current account means I need to get 10 pips a day, right? 10 pips a day, and a particular lot size. I can't talk money, I'm afraid. I can't talk the amount of profits or anything like that, because the FCC don't like us to talk about money, because I don't want you to think that I'm trying to entice you to join because of the profits we're making, because I can't do that. But working on my trading plan at 3% growth a day, it gives you exactly the amount of money that you need to have banked, as it was, by the end of that day. It tells you exactly how much you need to go for. Hang on a minute, I'm doing a video, darling. It tells you what you need to go for. And every day, before I start trading, I look at my plan and I look at how many amounts in dollars I need to have got that day. Now, I am using a strategy called Quickfire, which is on the Harmonic Scanner in IML. And with our Quickfire strategy, it's very, very easy and simple to go in and get 10 pips. So 10 pips a day is all I need to get, right? So as soon as I've got my 10 pips from the scanner on a Quickfire, that is my daily target done. And then I stop. I don't take any more trades. I don't look at any more trades. I stop. Because the moment you take another trade, you've increased your risk. Because suddenly you're winning, you've got your 10 pips, you've won. You take another trade, you could lose. So you know, it's kind of like you try not to get greedy. If you get greedy, you go for another trade. Think, oh, you know, I've got that money. I can double that. I can go and get another one. I can go and get another 10 pips. But what if that one doesn't win? You've lost what you've just made, and then you start again. So it's all about having sensible self-control. You need to not be greedy. You need to stop. And that is the hardest thing you are going to learn when it comes to Forex trading, is to stop and quit while you're ahead. If you're having a good day, you've got your pips for the day, stop trading. Honestly, stop trading, because as soon as you start taking more trades, you're risking it. You're adding more risk to your situation. So don't do it. So I just wanted to say that because it's so important. It's changed everything for me. And I hope that has given you some value and some sense of, you know, maybe why you're going a little bit wrong. Maybe you're getting a little bit too oh, I could just get a few more, just get a few more, just get a few more. Oh, you know, that one's on $100. Maybe if I just get 105, maybe just 110, I'll just keep pushing it. Stop pushing it. Stop pushing it. As soon as you've got your target, close it, stop it, grab it, bank it, done. And it will change everything and you'll be winning again. So I hope that helps. I hope that's given you a little bit of inspiration as to why maybe you're not having the success that you want. If you'd like to have more insights, training, strategies, that sort of stuff, I do have a Facebook group called Making Sense of Forex Trading, which you are very welcome to join, and come and have a look and check us out. It's no obligation to do anything, just come and stay. Stop it. Obviously, I do this around my children, so if I can do this, anybody can do this. So I'll put a link to the video. I'll put a link to my Facebook group in the video description. It's all going horribly wrong now, but that's just the way it is for kids. But, you know, like I said, if I can do this, you can do this. So come and check out my Facebook group. And I'll see you on the inside of the group, hopefully. Bye.